everyone, and welcome back to LinguaWave. If you're listening today, you're either learning English or thinking about it, and maybe you've even struggled with it.
And today, we're not here to give you a boring lesson. We're here to answer two powerful questions. Why should you learn English? And how do you actually learn it effectively?
Let's start with something very important. The why. Because motivation is what keeps you going when learning gets hard.
And it will get hard at the beginning. There will be moments where you want to quit. That's why we strongly recommend to write down your reason for learning English.
English isn't just another subject. It's a life skill.
Whether you travel or not, English helps you. If you travel, it opens doors to jobs, cultures, friendships, and opportunities. Because English is a global language.
And even if you never leave your country, English still matters. Think about online courses, YouTube, books, documentaries, technology. Most of the best resources are in English. Here's a real example. Many people learn programming, medicine, math, or science through English content online. Sometimes even before they go to university.
English gives you access, and access creates opportunity. Life doesn't always warn us before opportunities or hardships arrive.
English allows voices to be heard globally. That alone shows how powerful this language is. And sometimes opportunity comes suddenly. University applications, scholarships, exams, many of them require English tests.
You can't learn English from zero in 3 days. But if you already have a foundation, you can prepare smartly and succeed.
So what is English made of? 4 main skills: reading, listening, speaking, writing.
Now here's a question for you, listener. Which one do you think is the most important? Write it down in the comments below.
In schools, especially middle and high school, the focus is usually on reading and writing. But here's the truth. Listening is the most important skill. Why listening? Because learning starts with input. You absorb more than you produce.
We have 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. In real life, lectures, conversations, meetings, you must understand first. You can't rewind people the way you rewind a book. When you miss something while listening, it's gone. That's why training your ear is critical. Here's a simple but powerful tip. Speak English in your English class.
Ask questions in English, even if you're nervous.
Your teacher will respond in English. You improve listening and speaking at the same time. School is a free resource. Use it.
Now, let's talk strategy.
There are 2 things you must combine. If you ignore one, progress will be slow. Surround yourself with English. Change your phone language. Watch videos. Listen to podcasts. Read books.
Even if you don't understand everything, it's okay.
Use subtitles. Listen again. Your brain is learning in the background. That's how real language learning happens.
Exposure alone isn't enough.
You also need structure, grammar, basics, foundations. This is where courses, schools, YouTube playlists, and apps come in.
Think of it like this. Structure builds the house. Exposure furnishes it.
Here's a powerful tip for vocabulary. Don't translate everything into Arabic. Instead, search the English meaning.
Read the definition. Look at example sentences. Check images.
When you put effort into understanding a word, your brain remembers it better. Think in English, learn in English. Let's end with something encouraging. The 20-80 rule. 20% of words are used 80% of the time. The beginning is hard because you don't know that 20% yet.
But once you do, everything becomes easier. So don't give up.
Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Enjoy the process.
Stay consistent.
And remember your why. If you enjoyed learning with us, please hit that subscribe button.
And share this episode with your friends who also wants to learn English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.